What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be looking at all of my trades on the NASDAQ 100 today. The NASDAQ 100 basically gave up all of the gains from yesterday's move on Nvidia. You can actually see my chart yesterday from the previous trade that I took. You can see I only took this move here. The market still went up even higher than that without any stopping, and then basically today it wiped out all of that gain and then came back down to this. I would say it's a nice demand level. It's a level that I had drawn out from a long time ago, and you can see that it's actually playing at this level. So today I had a few trades in the right direction, which was to the sell side, but then I kept getting wicked out, and then that's what kind of have me flip my position, which you shouldn't normally do. And I ended up taking a bigger loss and more trades than I should have today. So the first trade was at 843. So that would be a part of the 830 candle. Let's find 830 down here. 830. And then I entered this one at 15291 to the sell side. 15291. 281. No, 291.06. You can see that's right on the 830 candle there. So I'm entering to the sell side thinking that the market is going to continue lower. Yes, I could have had my stop loss a bit higher. That would have given me access to all of this movement today. So for future reference, I'll look into that more, because look at this. Just a simple wick out here. Me not wanting to risk this much is what stopped me from gaining all of this move down here. So I entered this one at 15291.06. Had my stop loss at 15303. So you'll see I got hit out at 15303.34 on the 845 candle. So next candle right over. Because I was looking for a sweet entry, that's why it happened to me. So I got stopped out at 15303.34. Total loss of 24.46. Okay. The next trade I entered at on the 930 candle, and that was this. Let's see. That was this big sell-off candle. So on the 930 candle, I entered. No, I actually entered on the 9 o'clock candle. I entered to the buy side. And I think that was the only bullish candle in that series of bearish candles. So I entered to the buy side at 15303.96. And then I got stopped out on the 930 candle when the market really started to push down at 15281.71. 15281.71 for a total loss of 44.5. So you can see the losses really start to compound here. And then I think at this point, this is when I kind of felt like I had to make back the money, and at that point you probably should stop trading. So the next trade I entered on the 945 candle, because we're looking at 15-minute intervals, and that was at 15153, 15153.81. Is closer to the bottom of this candle, even though I was entering to the sell side, so it was the right direction. The candle ended up closing closer to the high, which ended up knocking me out for a loss of 1993. And where I got stopped out on this candle was at 15173.74. And then the market still continued to push down. So this was a good place to enter, but not having your stop loss at the right place. is what messed me up on this trade. Should have had my stop loss even at the supply zone up here, and then I would have been able to capitalize on this move. The next trade. Okay, so it seems like I entered both of these at the same time, but it's just different prices. So I entered this one at 15,150.31, and I got stopped out at the same time, same candle as the other one at 15,173.74. Both of them to the sell side. One was a loss of 19, other was a loss of 23. But you can see if I was able to manage this risk and enter in this trade, I would have made out great on this trade, right? So I had the direction right, but just not setting the right stop loss is what got me knocked out of this trade twice. After this, I kind of flipped and went to the buy side. So I thought the market was rejecting there, so I entered for it to go up at 15,184.71. Same candle I just got hit out. And then I got stopped out on the next candle over, which was the 10 o'clock candle, and that was at 15,158.43. And that was a total loss of 52.56. So at this time I'm in negatives even after yesterday's winning trade, and that was just one trade yesterday. And then the final trade was a trade at 10 o'clock, which I entered to the buy side, thinking that the market was going to go up from there. And then I just got stopped out and decided no more trading for the rest of the day, especially since I did 6 trades, which I consider excessive. Should just be 2 trades. So I entered this one at 15,179.96, and then I got stopped out. Same candle on the 10 o'clock at 15,174.69 for a total loss of 10.42. That's it for today. Today was just basically documenting a lot of losses and kind of journaling and reviewing some of the stuff that I'm doing wrong. Most of these I had the direction right, but just not having the stop loss at the right areas, the market was able to hit me out and then continue in the direction. But I hope you were able to pull some value from this. You can learn something, you can actually see what not to do in this video. Hope you enjoy it, and you can see I'm using the funded trade, and I use TradingView NAS100, and I can actually see with some accuracy the price movement. It's off by like $3, but I'm able to just kind of play with that in the market. But I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.